Good morning. My name is Emily Smith, and I'm here to check in for my flight to Los Angeles.
Good morning, Mrs. Smith. May I please have your passport and ticket or booking number?
Of course. Here's my passport and my booking reference is XYZ 789.
Thank you. You're booked on Flight 123 to Los Angeles, departing at noon. Any luggage to check in?
Yes, sir. I have one suitcase to check in, please.
Your bag weighs 23 kilograms. Here's your luggage tag. Do you have any carry-on items?
Yes. I have this handbag and a small suitcase.
Please ensure your carry-on suitcase fits in the overhead compartment and your handbag can go under your seat.
I would like a window seat, not an aisle one, please.
I've assigned you seat 14C. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight will depart from gate 18. Boarding starts at 11:30 a.m.
Thank you. Can you confirm the total travel time for this flight?
The flight to Los Angeles is about 5 hours and 45 minutes. You're expected to arrive at 3:45 p.m. local time.
Great. Thanks. Do you know if the flight is on time?
Yes, it's on time and currently on schedule. There are no reported delays.
Perfect. Is there anything else I need to know?
For your information, you should arrive at the gate at least 30 minutes before departure. If you need anything else or have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Also, since you are a frequent flyer, you have access to the lounge. Would you like directions?
That would be lovely. Where is the lounge located?
The lounge is on the second floor, near gate 15. Just take the escalator up and follow the signs.
Thank you so much. You've been very helpful.
It's my pleasure. Have a wonderful flight and enjoy your trip to Los Angeles.